Hola, soy Lourdes. Bienvenidos a este canal bajo las estrellas de Australia. ¿Cómo han estado? Mire, quiero compartirles un video muy bonito que se hizo en la ciudad de Perth con drones. Y ese espectáculo fue en la zona de Elizabeth Key. Fue realmente hermoso. Se formaron diferentes figuras, así de colores, pero lo que me llamó más la atención es que utilizaron muchísimos drones para formarlas. Realmente fue un espectáculo maravilloso. ¿Y por qué se hizo este evento? Es porque se celebró el 60 aniversario de un astronauta que pasó por encima de Perth y todos encendieron sus luces para que cuando él pasara por encima de la ciudad, él pudiera ver la ciudad de Perth toda iluminada, y la llamó la ciudad de las luces. Y el astronauta que dijo esta frase fue John Glenn. Y bueno, pues yo se los quiero compartir con mucho cariño.
The world's oldest continuous culture, and the people from cultures all over the world. That's Australia, and that is Perth, a city which has always reached for the stars, even in the tough times.
Only a shot away from me to be my everything, 'cause you are only a shot.
Celebrate our resilience, our identity, our ability to come together, and the glorious isolation which has served us and continues to serve us so well.
Only a shot away from me to be my everything. I don't know if you know yet. I've tried some time, and I'm dying to tell you, you blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. I've realized, and I'm dying to tell you.
Like the homegrown talent of Tame Impala, Perth has always found a way to stand out. We're located in the world's most populous time zone. Almost 1/3 of all ASX companies have their headquarters in Perth. Perth is the world's 6th most livable city. And then there's our greatest asset, our people, all 2 million of us.
Towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. 'Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot.
Tonight, as we gather at Elizabeth Quay, we remember an event which helped to define our city. It was on this weekend, 60 years ago, that American astronaut John Glenn orbited the Earth in NASA's Friendship 7 spacecraft. The people of Perth proudly turned on their lights and shone their torches to light up our city and send a message to John Glenn that he was not alone.
A shot away from me to be my everything. 'Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything.
Just to my right, I can see a big pattern of light, apparently right on the coast. I can see the outline of a town and a very bright light just to the south of it.
You're seen there.
Roger, the lights show up very well, and thank you everybody for turning them on, will you?
A shot away from me to be my everything. 'Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything.
News of the gesture and John Glenn's reaction went all around the world. And Perth, the most isolated capital city in the world, became known as the City of Light.
A shot away from me to be my everything. 'Cause you are only a shot away from me to be.
John Glenn's flight sparked an enduring partnership between Australia and NASA. Today, the Australian Space Agency is creating our own lunar legacy. An Aussie-designed, built and operated rover will be included on a future NASA mission to the moon.
Won't let you touch me, won't let you go to my head, 'cause I know I'm dealing with the devil. But I'm standing with my heart in your hand, and I'm too deep into in this gamble. Devil. But I'm standing.
And now, just like that historic night in 1962, it's our turn. Grab your phone, turn your light on, and shine it towards the spacecraft up above. Just like 60 years ago, Perth, again, a city united.
You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. I've tried some time, and I'm dying to tell you. You blow my mind.
Perth, the city of light, as relevant and as emotive today as it was 60 years ago. Tonight, we reclaim the name, the spirit and the sense of purpose it evokes. It's who we are and who we've always been. Light is action, it's safety, it's ideas, it's energy, it's our glorious sunshine and our spectacular people. No city lights up like Perth does, and in 2022, Perth is once again your city of light.
You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. I've tried some
up in lights, our city of light. Thank you for joining us at tonight's 60th anniversary of John Glenn's historic Friendship 7 flight, and to help us launch of Perth, City of Light. Proudly presented by the City of Perth in association with the Australian Space Agency.
Please enjoy the rest of your night and travel home safely. Good night from the City of Perth.
Si te gustó este video, por favor suscríbete, dale like, deja algún comentario. Me despido deseándoles que tengan un maravilloso día. Nos vemos.